The story of Mahishasur and goddess Durga, the origin of Durga Puja Navratri. The rise of Mahishasur. Long ago, when the balance of good and evil wavered, a powerful asura named Mahishasur performed penance to please Lord Brahma. His body was part man, part buffalo, and his strength was unmatched. When Brahma appeared, Mahishasur asked for immortality. Brahma refused but granted him a boon that no man, god, or demon could kill him. Drunk with power, Mahishasur unleashed terror across the three worlds. He conquered heaven, defeated the Devas, and drove Indra from his throne. The gods fled, powerless before him. The plea of the gods. Defeated and humiliated, the Devas rushed to Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. The cosmic trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, listened to their sorrow. The gods explained that Mahishasur's tyranny had spread everywhere, temples were desecrated, sages disturbed, rivers turned red with blood. The trinity grew furious, and from their combined anger, a radiant flame burst forth. This flame spread across the skies, brighter than 1,000 suns. From it emerged the form of a goddess, shining, fierce, and resplendent, Durga, the embodiment of Shakti, the divine feminine energy. The birth of Durga. Durga's beauty was unmatched, yet her aura struck terror into the hearts of demons. Her 10 arms held divine weapons gifted by the gods, Vishnu's discus, Shiva's trident, Indra's thunderbolt, Vayu's bow, Agni's spear, Varuna's conch, Kuber's snake, and more. She rode a fierce lion, symbolizing courage and power. Her 3 eyes glowed with knowledge, willpower, and action. The earth trembled at her roar. The gods, filled with hope, praised her, "O Devi, destroy the demon who torments us." With a gentle smile, Durga assured them she would end Mahishasur's reign. Mahishasur learns of Durga. When Mahishasur heard of a woman challenging him, he laughed. "A woman? A mere goddess dares to face me." But his generals trembled. They had seen Durga's blazing form, her eyes like burning suns. Still, the arrogant asura sent his vast army of demons, Chandas, Mundas, and countless others, to attack her. The battlefield thundered with the roar of demons and the cries of celestial beings praying for her victory. The battle begins. The battle shook the cosmos. Durga's lion pounced upon the first wave of asuras, tearing them apart. With her bow, she shot flaming arrows that lit up the sky. With her discus, she cut through entire battalions. With her trident, she pierced giants that roared louder than thunder. Blood flowed like rivers, staining the earth red. But the demons kept coming, thousands fell, and thousands more rose. Durga remained calm, her face serene, as though she was dancing in destruction. The gods cheered from above, their faith renewed. The generals fall. Chanda and Munda, Mahishasur's fierce commanders, charged at Durga with clubs and maces. The goddess, unshaken, summoned her sword and cut them down in a single stroke. The other generals, Dhumralochna and Raktabija, entered. Raktabija was a dreadful foe. Every drop of his blood that touched the ground gave birth to another demon. The battlefield flooded with countless clones. To counter him, Durga summoned her fierce form, Kali, who spread her tongue across the battlefield, drinking every drop of blood before it touched the earth. Thus, Raktabija was destroyed. The transformation of Mahishasur. Finally, Mahishasur himself entered the battlefield. He transformed endlessly, buffalo, lion, elephant, man, shifting forms to confuse the goddess. He uprooted mountains, hurled them at Durga, and shook the oceans. But the Devi, calm as the moon, destroyed each form. She pierced his elephant form with a spear, sliced his lion form with her sword, crushed his human form with her make. At last, Mahishasur returned to his original buffalo shape, snorting fire and thunder. With her lion pinning him down, Durga thrust her trident deep into his chest. The great demon roared one last time and fell, defeated forever. The victory of the goddess. As Mahishasur fell, the battlefield grew silent. The earth stopped trembling, the rivers flowed calmly, and the skies cleared. The gods descended, showering flowers upon the Devi. Victory to the mother. Victory to Shakti, they sang. The lion roared triumphantly, and Durga's face softened into a gentle smile. She had restored balance to the universe. From that day, the 9 nights of her battle came to be celebrated as Navratri, and her victory over Mahishasur became known as Vijayadashmi, the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness.